Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these 4x6 canvases from Dollar Tree and some stencils from Amazon. I start by removing the canvas from the frames. I will be reusing the canvases, so I just set those aside. I paint all 3 frames with a linen color chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. The canvases I'm painting 3 different colors. One is ink color chalk paint and another mineral color chalk paint, and those are both by Waverly. And the third one is barnwood acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. Next, I take the stencil and pixie spray. Those are both from Amazon. I spray the back of the stencil with the pixie spray, let that dry, and then I'm doing 3 different snowflakes, one on each canvas. I use a stencil brush with very minimal paint on it, and I'm using plaster color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. After all the snowflakes are on there, I take the frame and I place it down on top of the canvas, getting my spacing right for the snowflake. I trace out the outside of the frame and then go around and cut right below that line to make sure that it won't overhang the frame. I then take tacky glue and I'm applying that with a paintbrush to the back of the frame. I'm also going to be applying that to the outer edge of the canvas on the side that's painted, and that's just to make sure that it's fully adhered to the frame. I then go around with my heat tool just to make sure that's fully attached. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.